Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. Sometimes I see equal candles but uneven energy. The side with effort but no progress always loses. Volume tells me who's wasting strength. That's how I choose which side to trust. Effort without result means exhaustion. We are opening two buy trades here, not by strategy this time, but using technical analysis. I want to mix things up a bit and share some extra insight. We draw a trend line and it gives a strong touch point. A local low and a solid pullback, just like we saw before. When the price later moved up again. So, on this local minimum, we are opening buy trades. A bit of technical analysis here, why not? Trading is not just about copying signals, it's about understanding the logic behind every move. That's exactly what I teach in my free practical strategy session. You will learn how to trade properly, get daily signals, and join a real learning community in Telegram. Hit the link below and start your free session now. If you see a setup like this and the trend line confirms it, don't hesitate, take the trade. And as I said, the trade closes in profit.
At the beginning, I entered randomly. No logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up. I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze. Impulses on 1 minute are like lightning strikes. If you are not ready, you will just get blinded. I never enter on the first burst like beginners do. I wait for a pullback and confirmation of strength. Impulse is a weapon only for steady hands.
We are opening trades with the trend here, pretty straightforward setup. We didn't enter exactly on the crossover but a bit later, still a good spot. The trend is upward, volatility is low. So everything looks clean. Let's mark a support zone here. We get a local low and the movement goes up from it. So we open in the direction of the trend, expecting the price to reach this level. Last few seconds. And just as planned, one trade breaks even to close in profit. The biggest advantage is awareness, not speed. I don't compete with robots, I read behavior. Human panic creates faster moves than any algorithm. If you can spot emotion in price, you will always be early. That's how real impulses are born. Trading might look easy on videos, but once you start, you realize it's a whole different game. That's why I give you a free practice session and personal guide to help you trade the right way. You will also get daily trading signals and real working strategies in my Telegram channel. Tap the link below and claim your free trading practice today.